Back, everyone. You may be in a situation where for some reason your AirPods lights just are not turning on no matter what you do. Now, as you can see, the lights on the front of my AirPods are not turning on. Sometimes though, you just have to go ahead and close your AirPods case like this and you'll see the light turn on. You'll also have to, kind of flip them open like this and they should turn on as well. Now, a majority of the time why your specific AirPod light case aren't turning on is because your AirPods are dead. So what does this mean? Well, essentially means your AirPods and or the case within your AirPods are actually fully dead and depleted with battery. And this happens to me all of the time with my specific AirPods. So if you go ahead and bring your AirPods close to another iPhone of some sort and you don't see a little toggle at the bottom come up like this, well then that means your AirPods are pretty much dead for the most part. And in order to fix this, what you'll have to do, and it's very, very easy, you'll just have to go ahead and plug your AirPods in at the bottom of the case to your charging port of some sort. So what this means is you pretty much go ahead and grab a charging port or wirelessly charge your AirPods and go ahead and let them sit there and it'll go ahead and charge up over time. This is probably one of the most important things you can do to go ahead and fix this specific, situation happening. Now, let's say they're still not working. You may want to make sure your hinge of your AirPods aren't, messed up. You may also want to make sure that there's not a lot of dust, debris, all this kind of stuff covering these sensors of your specific case as well. But on top of that, what I'd recommend doing is holding down the button that's on the back of your AirPods right here, holding down that button until you get that little light on the front that starts blinking like this. And all you have to do here is if those lights turn on, we'll reconnect them to your specific iPhone, and just like so, and they should end up working for the most part. If they're still not working, I'd recommend either rewatching this video or resetting your AirPods. Those are pretty much the main things you can do. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.